In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that is able to calculate a dynamic buy position size based on the equity. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that opens a buy trade when certain conditions are met. Let's see how we can do that. We start by opening Metaeditor, which can be done by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. First, we include the Trade.mqh file, which provides us with trading functions. Then we create an instance of the CTrade class named Trade, which will be used to execute our trading operations. In the OnTick function, which is called every time a new tick is received for the symbol, we begin by calculating the ask price. This is done by using the SymbolInfoDouble function with the symbol ask parameter, and then normalizing the value to the number of digits specified by digits. Next, we calculate the equity by using the AccountInfoDouble function with the account equity parameter. Similarly, we calculate the balance using the AccountInfoDouble function with the account balance parameter. We then determine the position size by dividing the equity by 100,000 and normalizing the result to 2 decimal places. This gives us the size of the position we want to open. The next step is to check if the equity is greater than or equal to the balance. If this condition is true and there are no open positions, indicated by positions total being 0, we proceed to open a buy trade. The trade buy function is called with the following parameters: the position size, a null value for the symbol which defaults to the current symbol, the ask price, the stop loss set to 150 points below the ask price, the take profit set to 100 points above the ask price, and a null value for the comment. Finally, we create a chart output using the comment function to display the balance, equity, and position size on the chart. After writing the code, we press F7 to compile it. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should then see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that opens a buy trade based on certain conditions. With just a few lines of MQL code, you have coded an expert advisor that calculates the ask price, equity, balance, and position size, and opens a buy trade when the conditions are met. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope your expert advisor works and the calculation is fine. If this was too fast for you, or if you have no idea what the code is doing, maybe the premium course on our website might be interesting for you. For now, I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.